Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read Yahoo Finance stock charts. First, navigate to the Yahoo Finance website. You will find a search bar at the top where you can type in a company's ticker symbol, such as Apple for Apple. Once you hit enter, you'll be taken to the company's dedicated page, featuring an interactive stock chart. This chart is your primary tool for visualizing price movements and historical performance. It's a powerful resource for any investor. Let's dive into the key elements of the chart. You'll see various time frame options, allowing you to view data from 1 day up to 5 years or even maximum historical data. The main graph typically displays either a line chart or candlesticks, illustrating price changes over time. Below the main chart, volume bars indicate how many shares were traded during each period, offering insight into market interest. Understanding these basic components is crucial for effective analysis. Now, let's analyze trends and use indicators. Look for the overall direction of the price movement to identify uptrends, downtrends, or sideways consolidation. Yahoo Finance allows you to add various technical indicators, such as moving averages, to help confirm trends or spot potential reversals. You can also compare a stock's performance against other companies or market indices, providing valuable context for your investment decisions. These tools enhance your chart reading capabilities significantly. Finally, let's explore customization and advanced features. You can personalize your chart by adjusting settings like colors, line thickness, and even the type of chart displayed, choosing between line, area, or bar charts. Experiment with different overlays and indicators to find what best suits your analytical style. Remember, a clean and organized chart helps in making clearer decisions. Also, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.